Learn English to Hindi. Bring and brought with.
लाना,
And.
लाया.
Welcome to Bring Town. Hey, you're about to learn one very useful English Hindi verb family, and yes, it carries bags, tea, and occasional dramatic fruit baskets. Let's make bring impossible to forget. Today's hero is bring, which in Hindi is
लाना,
think of it as the action of moving something toward you. If your friend shows up with snacks, keys, or a suspiciously giant watermelon, that's
लाना,
the past form, brought, appears in several useful patterns like
लाया, तुम लाए, वो लाया, वो लाए, ये लाया, हम लाए, तुम लाए थे,
and.
वे लाए.
Yes, one little verb brought a whole family reunion. Your core word today. Start with the base verb first, because if you know the root, the rest of the family stops looking like distant dramatic cousins. English. Bring. Hindi.
लाना,
Say it slowly.
लाना,
Picture this. Your friend is outside with a bag of gifts and you shout, please.
लाना,
The bag in. Useful anchor. Please bring the book. In Hindi style learning form.
कृपया किताब लाना याद रखो.
Another one. I will bring food. Think.
मैं खाना लाना नहीं भूलूंगा.
And one more. Can you bring water? Think.
क्या तुम पानी लाना कर सकते हो?
Memory trick.
लाना,
Sounds a bit like la, like law, bring it here now. Silly? Yes. Effective? Also yes. Brought enters the scene. Now let's move from bring to brought, because grammar loves changing clothes halfway through the party. The general past idea, brought, can be remembered with
लाया,
imagine someone entering proudly and announcing
लाया.
brought. Example.
कल मैं किताब घर लाया.
Yesterday, I brought the book home. Another.
वो मेज पर फूल लाया.
He brought flowers to the table. If a cat drags in a watermelon and looks proud, your brain may simply whisper.
लाया,
Meet the whole Bring family. Here comes the cast list. Don't worry, I'll keep it friendly and far less scary than a grammar textbook wearing glasses. Base verb. Bring equals.
लाना,
Brought equals.
लाया.
You brought equals.
तुम लाए,
He brought equals.
वो लाया,
She brought equals.
वो लाए,
It brought equals.
ये लाया,
We brought equals.
हम लाए,
You brought, fuller past expression equals.
तुम लाए थे,
They brought equals.
वे लाए.
Notice how many forms circle around.
लाया, लाए,
And.
लाए.
Once your ear catches the pattern, Hindi starts feeling much friendlier. A very serious snack emergency. Let's learn with a story, because your brain likes drama, food, and mild chaos. It was the great family picnic. Nobody remembered the snacks. Auntie looked worried. The children looked betrayed. One uncle looked like he might compose a sad song about missing samosas. Then hope arrived. First, someone shouted, please.
लाना,
The food. A cousin ran in and proudly said,
तुम लाए,
the drinks yesterday, right? Another pointed at Ravi and said,
वो लाया.
the plates. Then Mira appeared like a legend with dessert, and everyone cheered.
वो लाए,
Sweets. A mysterious basket rolled in from nowhere, and the smallest child whispered,
ये लाया.
happiness. Finally, the whole group arrived with extra fruit and declared,
हम लाए,
everything. The grandparents nodded at the guests and said,
वे लाए.
gifts too. Moral of the story. Language learning is easier when everybody brings snacks. Tiny dialogue, big memory. Repeat these like a mini audio play. Bonus points if you use dramatic acting that no one asked for. A. Can you bring my bag? B.
हाँ, मैं लाना याद रखूंगा.
A. Did you bring the package? B.
तुम लाए,
The package. A. Who brought the food? B.
वो लाया.
A. Did she bring the medicine? B. Yes.
वो लाई.
A. What brought the good news? B.
ये लाया.
A. Did your team bring the supplies? B.
हम लाए.
A. Who brought the sweets yesterday? B.
तुम लाए थे.
A. Who brought the books? B.
वे लाए.
Quick pattern tip. Here's the part where grammar pretends to be complicated, but you smile politely and win anyway. The base verb is
लाना.
meaning to bring. In the past, you often see forms built around
लाया. लाई.
and.
लाए.
Compare these.
वो लाया.
For, he brought.
वो लाई.
For, she brought, and.
हम लाए.
Or.
वे लाए.
For plural style forms like, we brought, and they brought. So yes, the verb changes outfits depending on who is doing the bringing. Do not mix these up. A tiny warning now, because one wrong verb can send your cake in the opposite direction. Tragic. Do not confuse.
लाना.
Meaning, bring, with.
ले जाना.
Meaning, take away. If you say the wrong one, your helpful friend might remove the T instead of delivering it. Compare.
लाना.
Bring something here.
ले जाना.
Take something there. One gives you snacks. The other steals them from the table. Important difference. Quiz time, no panic. You've got this. If you get one wrong, just blame the imaginary watermelon carrying cat and continue. What is the Hindi word for bring? Answer.
लाना.
What is the Hindi word for brought? Answer.
लाया.
How do you say you brought? Answer.
तुम लाए.
How do you say he brought? Answer.
वो लाया.
How do you say she brought? Answer.
वो लाई.
How do you say it brought? Answer.
ये लाया.
How do you say we brought? Answer.
हम लाए.
How do you say you brought in the fuller past form? Answer.
तुम लाए थे.
How do you say they brought? Answer.
वे लाए.
Your speaking challenge. Now it's your turn. Speak out loud, even if your accent is still warming up and your houseplants become your audience. Say, please bring the book. Then include.
लाना.
Say, yesterday, I brought the bag. Then remember.
लाया.
Say, you brought good news. Use.
तुम लाए.
Say, he brought food. Use.
वो लाया.
Say, she brought sweets. Use.
वो लाई.
Say, it brought a smile. Use.
ये लाया.
Say, we brought a gift. Use.
हम लाए.
Say, you brought the books. Use.
तुम लाए थे.
Say, they brought tea. Use.
वे लाए.
Goodbye, but keep bringing words. Nice work, you just carried a whole verb family into your memory. That is extremely on theme. Today you learned bring as
लाना.
and key past forms like
लाया. तुम लाए. वो लाया. वो लाए. ये लाया. हम लाए. तुम लाए थे.
and.
वे लाए.
Thanks for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, keep repeating the forms, and keep bringing your curiosity to Hindi every day. See you in the next chapter.